Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition in health. I am also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty, so Allah give you more healthy, wealthy life, successful life and happy life. And please viewers, you also pray for me. I hope you are waiting my latest video. So girls, the wait is over. Today I bring some special beautiful crochet neck warmer ideas. So please you must watch my video till the end. All the patterns are very beautiful, stylish, handmade knitting variety, beautiful cowl free ideas for modern girls. So girls, please you must watch my video till the end. All the patterns are very beautiful, handmade knitting variety, most demanding collection, most wearing collection, beautiful fall ideas. Hopefully you like this. Follow my channel, like and share my video with your family, friends, sweet cousins, neighbors and your colleagues. Press the bell icon. When you press the bell icon, you will get the notification all of my videos and latest ideas about crocheting work and good comment section, mind-blowing pattern. Very nice, beautiful designing. Some are simple and some are beautiful button-up style. Very nice, most demanding collection, most wearing collection. You can see almost 40 plus images in this video of crochet, beautiful neck warmer, cowl free ideas, and you can see many more ideas about dresses and different beautiful crochet pattern in my channel. Press the bell icon and good comment section. Okay viewers, now I have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye and please pray for me. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day. Goodbye.